Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to switch between Python versions in Windows 10. So let's get started. So first thing, let me just show you the current version of Python which I have. So for checking it, just go to the command prompt and type python space hyphen hyphen version, and this is the version that I'm currently having, which is Python 3.12.5. so I'm going to switch this to some other version. So for doing that, I need another version of Python, so I'll just go to download Python. So if you just scroll down over here, we'll be having these older versions. So I'll just go with this Python 3.9.11 and scroll down. I'll just go with the Windows 64-bit installer and just install it. The installation process is so simple. Make sure that you're checking over here and just click on install now. That's it. Python 3.9 has been installed. You can just close this and now go to search, type environment. You'll be getting the edit the system environment variables. Open it, click on environment variables, go to path under user variables and edit. So this time here you can see this path has been automatically added. The Python 3.9 path has been added on the top. So now if I just go to my command prompt, just close the command prompt, open it, and if I run the command python space hyphen hyphen version, I'll be getting Python 3.9. Here you can see I'm getting Python 3.9. So now in case I want to go back to my Python 3.12 version, what I can do is you can just cut this. Okay, you can just copy this and click on delete and put it down. Click on new, paste it, and again delete this and click on new and put it down over here. So whichever path is on the top will be taken as the main version. So we are making Python 3.12 as the main version over here. And again, if you want to make Python 3.9 as the main version, you can just edit this to 3.9 over here. That's it. That's the only change you want to do. You have to do here also. So now that's good. We have made Python 3.12. I'll just click on OK everywhere here also, and make sure that you are restarting your command prompt. So now again open your command prompt, and this time I'm getting Python 3.12. so basically just change the order in environment variable. That's how you switch the Python versions after downloading it. And I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tool. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.